this course seemed to be exceptional. The course absolutely met my expectations because I don't come from the physical world of crude oil trading. My background is in more of the financial side, financial market side. I had hoped to get a better understanding of how physical and commercial crude oil traders use financial crude oil products in their business to meet their business needs, and in a way that's apart from flat price trading. And this course met every of those expectations. I learned how to price a cargo of crude oil as a merchant trader, purchased from a producer and resold to refiner buyers in multiple places around the world, all while accounting for cost and expected profit margin and protecting that margin. It was fantastic. I would say if you trade crude oil futures or any energy futures product like heating oil or natural gas, well, not natural gas because that's not a petroleum product, but any petroleum products or crude oil, or aspire to do so, or an analyst of any of those markets, I would highly recommend taking this course because it will immensely broaden your understanding of how the biggest participants in the market use and trade in the market. And so it will greatly help your trading, it will greatly help your P&L and your understanding of the crude oil market.
Thank you.
You're welcome.